Hi everyone, Vincenzo here with a new ukulele tutorial. This week let's learn how to play the famous riff from Clocks by Coldplay. For this tutorial you can get the tabs for free. So click on the link in the first comment and have the tabs with you when learning this. Having said that, let me play the riff for you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's break it down. You start with this shape, so fret number 6 on the first string, fret number 6 on the second string, and fret number 7 on the third string. This basically looks like a B flat without the ring finger, but because you're playing it from fret number 6 is an E flat. The pattern goes 6, 6, 7, 6, 6, 7, 6, 6. For the right hand, I'm using the middle finger for the first string, the index for the second string, and the thumb for the third one. So the pattern is basically middle, index, thumb, middle, index, thumb, middle, index. By the way, if you need help on fingerstyle, check out my tutorial on how to get started with it. You can find it in the description. You carry on and you basically repeat the same pattern, but you change shape. This time you have 4, 6, 5. This is the same shape as a G minor, but because you're starting on the 4th fret, it's a B flat minor. It goes like this: 4, 6, 5, 4, 6, 5, 4, 6. As you might have noticed, the fingerstyle pattern is the same. Middle, index, thumb, middle, index, thumb, middle, index. By the way, this shape is repeated twice, so it goes like this: 3, 4, first time, second time. And now let's move on to the final measure. The shape here is the one of an E minor, but 1 fret down. So you have 3, 4, 5, and it's an F minor. Everything is the same, so you have 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4. Again, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4. Having said that, let's play the entire riff very slowly. Let's say at 70 BPM. 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. The biggest challenge for this riff is to play it at the actual tempo, which is 131 BPM. I suggest you start really slowly and make sure that you can change shapes very well. Start at 60, 70 BPM and then get to 131 gradually. My Patreon page, you can find the PDF for this riff, which is completely free, so download it. One more thing, don't forget that if you learned something from this video and you would like to say thank you, you can buy me a coffee, link in the description. That's all for now. Let me know in the comments if you managed to learn this riff. And if you want to take your playing to the next level, have a look at my free course here on YouTube and download my free 8-step roadmap, link in the description, that will tell you the exact process I followed to learn the ukulele. Moreover, check out the other links in the description to learn more about the types of classes that are available at the moment. And of course, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my new tutorials. Having said that, thank you very much for watching and I'll see you next week. Ciao!